Here's how to connect your AirPods to a PC. To do this, make sure your AirPods are charged. Click Settings from the Start menu. Then click Devices. Make sure that Bluetooth is switched to On. Click Add Bluetooth or other device. Then in the Add a Device window, click Bluetooth. Now open your AirPods case and press and hold the small button on the back of the case for several seconds. For AirPod users with a Generation 1 case, the light inside the case will start blinking white. For users of a Generation 2 case or AirPod Pros, the light will be in front of the case and will also start blinking white. Your AirPods should now appear on the list of devices available for pairing on your PC. Note they might appear as headphones at first and then appear as AirPods. Click AirPods, and Windows will display a message that indicates you have successfully connected your AirPods.